you so beautiful. I wanna know what you are.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Anu. I hope you guys are all doing fantabulously. I'm back again with another exciting video. I mean, I'm too excited. I don't even know where to start from. So I was contacted by perfectkicks.ru. They asked me to pick an item on their website I can show to you guys, which I'm so excited about. The item that I picked up was just, I've been wanting it for a while actually, but I wasn't willing to spend about £600 for a pair of shoes. I just don't have that kind of budget right about now. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm just gonna get into the details of this website. So the website is called perfectkicks.ru. I think they have two websites, and the second one is called dopestkicks.ru. I'm gonna leave all the names on the screen, and I'm also gonna leave them in the description box, so definitely check out my description box. I always have the links to everything I talk about in my description box, so definitely check that right out. So this is the Perfect Kicks website. As you can see, they have a gorgeous array of things on their website. The Perfect Kicks is a website that carries a lot of designer replicas, or you can call them knockoffs. The items on this website are quite good quality, so you can get yourself some really nice quality designer remakes at a fraction of the price. The website is pretty easy to use. You can search different categories, you can search by brand, you can search by accessories, ready to wear. It's very easy to use. It's quite straightforward. The user interface is so nice and it's very clean. You can really see the items. It's not so oversaturated and overwhelming. I mean, they do have quite a lot of items on the website, but it's actually quite decent. I really like it. They have a lot of stuff, like a beautiful array of things on the website. As you can see, these are the trainers that I picked, and it's quite easy to see. It's quite easy to figure out what sizes you want, because it gives you the US sizes, European sizes, and also the UK sizes, which I would say are quite true to size. The website interface is really nice. It also shows you the product that you're about to buy close up, so you can have a better idea of what you're going to be receiving. The Dopest Kicks website is also quite similar to the Perfect Kicks website. I think it's very similar because they have the same sort of things on there. As you can see, they also have a lot of designer items: Gucci, Prada, Chanel, Balenciaga, Off-White. All your favorite brands are on here, and you can get some really cool items. So I would suggest you guys check out their website, and you know, you're gonna find yourself some really cool bargain items. I mean, why would you want to pay £1,000 when you can pay half or even 1/4 of the price for these beautiful items? Anyway, enough talking. Let's just get straight into the item that I actually received. Oh, this is the item that I picked from the website. It came in this box. Quite heavy as well. The packaging was decent. The brush got crushed.
Huh? The brush got crushed.
Because it's just an okay packaging. I will be completely honest. There they are. As you can see, the box got a bit squashed there and squashed there. But you know what? Who cares about the box? Let's get to the good stuff. Bubble wrapped and everything. Those are the shoes. I'm so excited to show them to you guys. These are the trainers. I'm just gonna get into what was actually inside the box. It came with a dust bag, if you really care about a dust bag, so you can store your shoes in there. It came with all this paper, like wrapping paper, just to, I guess, keep it in place. But you know what? All that stuff's the stuff I don't care about. Let's get to the shoes. That's the good stuff, the shoes. Oh, these shoes are heavy. This is what they look like. To be honest with you, I have actually gone into the shop to try out the actual Balenciagas. I got the Balenciaga Triple S Mr. Porter Neon Green Sneakers. This is what it's called on the website, and these were $199. I'm not really sure how much that is in pounds. Let's ask Siri. Hey Siri.
I'm here.
How much is $199 to pounds? Siri's a bit slow out here. Hey Siri.
I'm listening.
How much is $199 to pounds? Siri's out here tripping.
It's £154.08.
Well, this is a steal at £154, but these are the shoes. They're really cute. I got them in a size 42, and I think the size 42 is a UK size 8. I think I could have definitely done with this in a size 7 or a size 6.5 because they are so big and they make me look like boat feet. Let me get into the details of this. They came with an extra pair of shoelaces. Shoelaces are quite long. They're really, really cute. They've got the sizing in the front there, which this triple S trainers are peculiar with. It's also got this kind of like faux suede type fabric there. It has this sole bits that come out on the side. It's just so similar to the real thing. They're so well made, apart from, you know, little bits and bobs in terms of the finishing of it. But I mean, it's only a crazy person who's like staring down at your shoes that will notice. If you're just wearing it out and about, no one would be able to tell. It's also got the Balenciaga name there as well. It's also got it on the side. The detail that was paid to these trainers is so good. It's also got Balenciaga on the inside. Came with stuffing to kind of keep the shoe in shape. It comes with the Balenciaga on the inside, but to be very honest with you, that is not really the best quality. I don't know what it looks like on the actual ones, but this is so nice. I had quite a few colorways on the website. Let me just show you what the shoes look like all the way around. They're just gorgeous. The Perfect Kicks have been kind enough to give me a discount code for my subscribers. So if you spend over $90 on the website, you get to have $10 off, and my discount code is AnuFashion10. Use my discount code AnuFashion10 on the website to get yourself $10 off when you spend £90 or more on the website. I think that's a goodish deal. I think that's fair enough, considering the items you're going to be getting are like designer items, good quality, might I say, designer items. So I think that's a steal. So without any further ado, we're just going to get into this cute lookbook. Don't forget to check out my description box. All the things I'm wearing, I'm going to try and link as much as I can find on there. Let's get into this side of the video.